I'm Ray.
And it's The Gunny with Malakai Prime Media.
And we're here in Summerville, South Carolina with the South Carolina Vintage Vixens for Lady Liberty 2022, which is a car show and pinup contest. And we're going to check out lots of vintage cars. We got some line dancing going on out here, lots of cool things to check out. So let's get started.
The South Carolina Vintage Vixens are a vintage-inspired social group with the focus of giving back to the community. The Lady Liberty 2022 car show also held host to quite a few sponsors, to include Towns for Troops, the Tri-County Veteran Support Network, Helen Bricka. She was a surviving spouse of Captain F.C. Bricka, U.S. Army veteran, and the Wizard Forge, Oz and Jessica, the handcrafted blades and more. But don't worry, stay right there, because if you hold on to the end, we got a couple surprises for you. You won't be disappointed. As we pass by the vendors' tents, we will be leaving a link in the description so you'll be able to contact the ones of your choosing. None of this would have been possible without Stars and Strikes. Get away and play, and let me tell you guys, that is a very amazing bowling ball.
We're having a great time out here with the South Carolina Vintage Vixens. If you can do us a favor, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the content if you find this video interesting. If you want to know when the next time a new video is ready for you, hit the bell notification button.
And we're going to continue on with our stroll down the Chevy C10 Club of Charleston. These guys are amazing. They put on good shows, and they have top-notch great vehicles. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Widowmaker. What an awesome blazer. Well, go ahead, Dave. What you got to say?
Okay, hi. I'm Dave Clark, up here at the car show in Ladson. I got a 1929 Model A coupe. Had her for about 12 years, and I'm feeling raindrops. She's got a 1956 265 Chevy V8 with a small Holly carb. Red headers, got you see 4-speed 279 rear. She's a good old runner. I've had her like to Nashville and back for runs. I can take her 500 miles in a day. I've had old cars forever and I love them. Everybody have a great time here. Thank you.
Did you know that Model A production ended in March of 1932 after 4.8 million had been made in all body styles? Crazy fact to know, isn't it? Oh, look who it is. Captain America of Charleston, William Carter. The Wizard Forge. Laser beak hitting the view from up top once again. Enjoy. Hey, surf's up. Lots of trophies, lots of awards to be given today. And there's lots of stiff competition. These are some beautiful vehicles. And these are our hosts of South Carolina Vintage Vixens. And the South Carolina Vintage Vixens presents Mr. Wally Burbage.
Hi, I'm Wally Burbage from Charleston, South Carolina. This is my 1963 Chevy C10. It's got a LS 5.3 in it, bored out, and it's bagged all the way around. And it's a lot of fun to drive. Got short headers, and it jumps out right behind the cab, so pretty loud. Interior's TMI bucket seats, and got a pretty good sound system in it. But again, a lot of fun to drive. I'm really enjoying it.
The early 1960 Chevy pickup trucks featured bold, straight body lines, a cab with slight overhangs over the windshield and rear windows, headlamp bezels, and an egg crate grille. The body was a lesson in minimalist styling, with only modest touches chrome. This here is Miss Helen Bricka. She is the surviving spouse of Captain Bricka, a U.S. Army veteran. For information more to her cause, go ahead and check down in the description below. Time to continue on our journey with some more footage of the cars. Check them out. If you like something you see, go ahead and put it in the comment down below. After seeing the Surfs Up with this Volkswagen van, we're going to creep on over here and check these dudes out. I love this dude's hat. Check him out, man. Well, I sure hope you're hanging in there, because we haven't got that beautiful up top coverage that's going to be coming down from Laserbeak. Stand by for a surprise near the end. And the winner is... Thank you to the South Carolina Vintage Vixens for hosting this event. We look forward to attending another in the future.